In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Smartsheet in Excel. Now, for those of you who may not be familiar with Smartsheet, it's a popular tool used for project management, much like Excel, but with some additional functionalities that cater specifically to collaborative work. There may be times when you need to export your data from Smartsheet to Excel, perhaps for formatting purposes, sharing with someone who doesn't have Smartsheet access, or simply for offline work. Let's go through the process to ensure a smooth transition. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to your Smartsheet workspace or homepage. It's always important to ensure that you're in the right environment, especially if you have access to multiple workspaces. Once you're there, the next step is to open the specific Smartsheet that you want to export. Perhaps you've been tracking a project timeline, a list of tasks, or maybe inventory details. Whichever it is, having the right sheet open will be crucial for the export. After your sheet is open, navigate to the File menu. This is where you'll find all sorts of options relevant to your document, including exporting options. Once you've clicked on File, you will need to move your cursor over to Export. This will present you with several choices, but for our purposes, you'll want to select Export to Microsoft Excel. This is key because it will convert your Smartsheet data into a format that's compatible with Excel. Now, after you've initiated the export, you'll be prompted to download and save the file. Remember to choose a location that's easy for you to access later, perhaps a folder dedicated to your project files or directly onto your desktop if you prefer quick access. Once downloaded, it's time to open the XLSX file in Excel. Here's where you might notice that the exported data doesn't perfectly match the Smartsheet layout and formatting you are familiar with. This is a common occurrence because of the different ways Smartsheet and Excel handle data and structures. For example, certain column widths and colors might not transfer over exactly as they were set in Smartsheet. Be prepared to make some adjustments if necessary. Opening your exported file in Excel marks the completion of the export process. From here you have the flexibility to work offline, share your sheet with colleagues via email, or adjust any formatting to suit your presentation needs. While the differences in layout might require a bit of manual tweaking, having your data in Excel opens up a range of possibilities for analysis, charting, and more. And there you have it, a straightforward method for exporting your Smartsheet data to Excel. I hope this guide has been helpful for you. If you have any questions or require further details, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning in and happy exporting.